A warm welcome from Weil Technology. We are developers and manufacturers of machines and modular systems that are characterized by innovative laser, clamping and automation technologies for sheet metal processing. As a mechanical engineering company and solution provider, we support our customers in realizing, optimizing and automating production processes in the context of sheet metal processing. In addition to machine and systems, we offer various solutions and services such as feasibility studies, prototyping and after-sales service. Up to now, we are an owner-managed family business and see it as our personal responsibility to create and preserve values to provide for our future. Our company headquarters is in Mülheim, in the southwest of Germany. We feel at home here in the sunny Markgräfler Land between the southern of Black Forest, vineyards and the Rhine River, close to the French and Swiss border. We are firmly connected to the region with our committed employees and with our supplier. With the two other Weil Technology locations in Shanghai, China and Detroit, United States, we are well positioned worldwide. This is how we inspire customers with our products and solutions on all continents. Weil Technology solutions are based in particular on laser welding, cutting and forming. Our portfolio for sheet metal processing includes numerous system models that can be combined to turnkey systems or used as a standalone solution. Due to this wide range, we are able to fulfill special individual customer requirements, tailor-made and from a single source. With pleasure, I give you a brief insight into some applications, examples of our machines that are used in future-oriented areas. Our main sector is mobility, household appliance, heating, ventilation and air conditioning, as well as vessel manufacturing. In all the market segments listed, our system impressed with a high level of automation, flexibility and quality. In summary, I can look back in over 33 years of experience in the applications of laser technology, as well as over 4,000 completed projects with numerous customers worldwide. The name Weil Technology stands for flexibility, reliability and sustainability. We see ourselves as an innovation driver for tailor-made solutions in sheet metal process of tomorrow.